This young man you see here returned to Nigeria from Romania, decided to go to Imo State, Owerri, to see his wife. In Imo State, while they were traveling along Ngwapala Road, Aba Owerri Expressway, JTF officers stopped him and his wife in a public transport. They searched his phone and found nothing but only some amount of money in his account, and they found out that he just came back from outside the country. They asked the drivers to drive out, even forced the wife to move out from where he is. They hold him hostage illegally and asked him to send money to them. They were asking for half of the money in his account. The young man was asking what was his crime and why is he going to pay, but there was no crime, nothing at all, just extortion, kidnapping, or robbery. After so many hours wasted, he has no other option than to send money to them just so that he can leave. The most scary part of it is that he even recognized this same guy they call Stanley Chimezie, that is among the JTF officers, that is a civil defense officer. He still recognized him among those team, and he confirmed that this guy is a very wicked man and he's not supposed to be in the Nigerian force. Do you know, as I'm talking to you right now, these same JTF officers are still roaming freely in Imo State, extorting youths day by day, even as we speak, feeling invincible, and nothing has been done to capture them. Why is it like that? We, the citizens, deserve to know why these people, these JTF officers, are still roaming freely after all the atrocities they have done in Imo State. Okay, you can know, Danny.
Yeah.
How you doing?
I did fine. Now European accounts now why?
Okay. Where are you streaming from?
I did Romania.
So when do you have this encounter with JTF?
That was February this year.
February.
Yes. So I be come back and see my wife, you understand?
Okay.
So actually my wife dey live for Owerri. So when I won't go back to Romania, so I wanted to register her in the school. So we can say get one school we see online for Aba.
Okay.
So we can say we could go check out the school. I don't know see these people because you don't do like almost 4 years, 5 years when I come out from Nigeria. So yes. I don't know what they really go on.
Happen. Yes.
So but thanks to God Almighty, I get 3 phones. So my woman can't like say I carry only one go. Make I drop 2. Because 2 of my phones they use them, they do trade and
forex,
me now, yes, they do trade. So I can't drop the phone. But this main phone what they use stream now, my managers will be Igbo, they for my WhatsApp. So we can't they go. Unfortunately, when they go the Aba, we no meet them. When we can't they come back.
Okay.
This one no be that police, that no be that filling station where they talk about. This one now one church.
Yes, nah, but along that road,
along that road. So they can't stop us, can't look, can't point me. Say make I come down. I can't come down. They say cross over. I can't cross. I can't see some boys where they put handcuff for there. I say, what did that happen for you? They can't say that biggie, this black biggie guy. That guy need me the tie and stone. If they tie and stone, me they put an inside River Niger, make water swallow that guy. Cause that guy is
very wicked.
Very wicked. So this guy now, they can't collect my phone. They can't begin search. Can't they tag my woman? Can't they say, come on, they here. Who will be this? I said, my wife. They said, a lie. How you take no say it now your wife? See, because you get tattoo at wrong. They can't they what tattoo? I say, tattoo na crime again. So they can't say a lie. Make I show them picture. Say me and I don't marry. So I can't show a picture where say we did legally married. So this guy can't begin search my phone, search my pictures. Can't they see pictures with me and white guys and some of my friends?
Yes.
Can't they say na lie? Say who be all this? Guys, say me I did into fraud. I said I know they do fraud though. Say me that just I am a student and I legally work. He can ask me say where I take, which school I they go. I can't tell they say I know the school for Nigeria. He say which school be that? I can't tell him. He say which country? I can't tell him. He can't pause. They can't collect my phone. Say make I hear. They can't go that back of church. Can't go talk finish. I can't the reason. I don't fuck up.
They are trying to know if that country they get money.
They can't come back. They continue to the search. He can't carry me and I can't go inside the hills. Go sit down. He can't search my phone. Can't go for my hidden. You know say iPhone they get hidden pictures. I recently deleted. So he can't delete them. So the only thing waiting for that hidden side now just picture where I don't want another eye to see between maybe my private picture with me and my woman.
Yeah.
Don't let anybody say I keep on there. He can't say a lie. Say him go expose me for this thing where they do. You understand? So he doesn't say nothing when you see for my phone, but they say a lie. Say this boy they do fraud. I say officer, if there's an evidence where say go fit prove say they do fraud, you feel arrest me. But nothing like fraud. He say okay, make I open my OP.
Imagine.
I say
okay. When you concern fraud.
I did tell you, and that time I just recently convert money when I reach Aba. Because as I reach Aba, I convert money, pay for school fees and others. So I still get some cash. I still get about like maybe that kind of 200 and something K from my account. Income open them. Income tell me say which ID I hold for my body. So I can't bring out my resident permit. This man sees my resident permit. Say I must give 100,000. If I don't give 100,000, that resident permit, you know, will give me the resident permit.
This particular black guy now, this one.
This black man will they up. So I can't like, okay, say how I go give you 100,000. Waiting consignment, give me my resident permit, let me go. They can't tell the driver make it they go. So those drivers now, they can't drive small, can't wait. They don't want to leave me and my woman for them. Because if let's say the driver know waiting they really
yes, now they know they do yes.
So you just go front, go wait. I beg this man like almost 1 hour.
For no crime, oh.
No crime.
I know this is not kidnapping.
For almost 1 hour, I beg this man for my
resident permit.
My resident permit. He hold him. Say I must provide. I must give him something before he leave me. So at the end of the day, I don't know what I want to make. They no come begin dig deep or find something else because
they put you for problem.
Already I don't panic. My wife don't panic. Say I pay. Make I just pay. At the end of the day, I come off 50,000 naira. And no be anything. No 50K. No be anything. No.
Yes.
But for that guy to chop that money, you know, see better thing for your life.
I swear, it's painful.
You know, if you see better thing for your life. I plan come back Nigeria anytime soon. But anything will be Aba, I know I go avoid them. I plan come back Nigeria very soon. But anything will be Aba, I go really avoid them. And I don't know if government, because I don't see say now after I come back Romania, I can't see say you they promote these things. I can't see I don't get this experience. I must come talk for this platform.
Yes.
You understand? I can't wonder if government, you know, they really see this thing where they go on.
See them.
Might be the problem.
They are seeing it before now. Before now, people have not been speaking out online like this. If you go online, go search them, you don't ever see any video. Only one or two, you go see one or two for the whole internet about these JTF people. Because people, when they extort people are scared to come and speak out. Sometimes they will extort you. They will snap your ID card that if you speak out online, that they will track you. They will move fear for your body. So people don't even want to talk. That is why nobody is like people don't just know, except it happened to you. You can't know say so this thing happen. You get so when it happened to me. And I went online, I searched. I could not see any video about these people. I saw only two video.
Man,
since 2022, 2023, only 2 videos. I said no, something is wrong. I have to start creating awareness so the world will know what people are doing. They have used people to build house, buy car, buy land. Like
these guys, they really terrorize young youth. I swear to God, because not the only that day where I go Aba, it can't make me the next day where I go Aba. I know carry phone again. Now only my woman phone I carry.
Imagine,
I know carry phone again. I know carry phone, and even the next time where I go Aba, where they stop us, where they come they search us, they come ask me say why I know where my phone. I say my phone spoil. They say a lie. Say I intentionally no carry my because it's on another squad. They can't say I intentionally carry my phone. I can't say no, my phone spoiled. Say that my wife's phone that they use make communication, but that day it wasn't nothing serious. But not just that day they just collect that 50. It didn't really break my heart because I know do anything. Yes, I know they do fraud. I work legitly.
Yes.
I get my money legitly. So I see no reason why I should be scared of Nigerian police will be saying now they're supposed to protect us with the citizen. You can't extort money from innocent young. And not the only boys that they stop including girls. So
even girls, yes.
Even girls. You understand? Even girls. And they will take you at that back.
Inside bush.
I just say these people will they kill some people self. Are they very
sure there are some people that they might have shoot in the bush when no agree cooperate.
When no agree cooperate. Because nobody actually everybody go really take the whole
those things.
Yeah, the whole intimidation. Not everybody go really take them serious. Like go take them like that. Say, yes, you cannot intimidate me. I know my rights.
Yes.
You understand? So I don't really know the government where they in charge of all those force. I can't remember the last time I heard about
the governor of Imo State can give order and those people will get out from there because he was the one that ordered for them to come. Now they are not doing their job, so you should dissolve them.
I feel like those people they are there, like they are there without no order because the way they operate, once they stop the bus, they instruct the bus to go far.
Imagine.
And they will not take you people inside the bush.
Imagine
to extort the money, not on the road though.
It's yes, now in the bush. I'm aware.
In the bush,
I'm aware. Imagine, guys, you guys, I hear this own experience. Some people think that all these are fabricated stories. These are real life.
It's not fabricated.
Real life.
It's not fabricated.
He said, "Is this guy's Timo? This particular guy? He recognized this guy. This man.
Jesus. Yeah. This man is not supposed to be. He's not supposed to be in the Nigerian force. This man. This man is a criminal. He's a criminal.
Many people have confirmed it. Many people, and God knows why he's exposing him.
He's the worst of all of them. Him. Imagine.
This man is the worst of everybody there.
One bad
egg can come. One bad egg can come with an idea, corrupt every other person, and they start doing it. One person. Anyway, thank you for sharing your own experience. Later, you help us donate for our account. We are trying to fight this matter, because if we are not doing it legally, how are we going to achieve this thing?
Yeah, you did right. You did right, my
People
brother.
that help us, they donate something. They make they get these victims, prepare petitions, they send to their headquarters. They will not say it's not serious. They will not say this matter not serious. People should help us.
You did right, bro. No problem.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You all heard all his story. Can anyone tell me a good reason why these people shouldn't face the law? Why they are not facing the law? Why they are still roaming freely on the streets of Imo State and on the highway extorting people? For the money we ask you guys to contribute, we are using it to help victims write their petitions and get justice on this matter. Since the government don't want to do anything about it, we have to act legally. As of today, being the 13th of August 2026, I have been invited by the Commissioner of Police Imo State Command, the person of Audu Boso, through the PPRO, the person of DSP Henry Okoye, to come to the State CID Imo State tomorrow, being the 14th of August 2026, to discuss on how we can tackle this issue of JTF extortion, kidnapping, and robbery, to put an end to it. In the call, DSP Henry assured me of my safety and no harm will come to me. Listen to his statements from our call.
I don't know when you are going to be. Me, I'm assuring you of your safety. You understand? If you come and anything bad happen to you, go online, do video, say that me, I'm the one that set you up. You understand? When you come, me, I will personally, if you come, you call me. I'm ready to go and pick you anywhere you are. I will bring you to the command. We'll drive straight to CP office. You will meet with CP and hear his assurance. And also, you will also pass this message to the public, because as the whole thing now, everything is becoming heated. Before you know it, now people can begin to protest and go against the government. You can do a video online and say that the PPRO has invited you to have an interaction with the CP over this issue. You do a video. Even the day you are going, you do a video that today I'm going to interact with the CP over this issue. We will enable people. I know, because the invitation is you want to let people know where you are.
Yes.
So Nigerians, you all heard from him. So if I go to the Imo State Police State Command tomorrow being the 14th of August and anything happened to me in their station, you all know who to hold and ask about my whereabouts. And even if I was locked up there for no reasons, please, those of you in Owerri, always come to the State CID, bring bread and beans for me and water so I can eat. That is if they did not take my life. So guys, share this video, create more awareness, drop your comment. If they have extorted it before, drop your comment in the comment section, send us a DM, because there are a lot of DMs, we still have more, but still send more, because I'm going to also present all this evidence to them. The pictures, the videos are also present to them, so they will know that we are not blabbing here, and this is fact. If you are watching on TikTok, click on the plus sign on the screen. If you are watching in any other platform, click on the follow button. Stay safe.